Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you all are good. I am Saraswati Dansena, your biology teacher, and I welcome you in this Jnanjyoti online classes. So today I am here with a very interesting chapter of 10th biology, that is control and coordination. So student, in the previous chapter, we looked at the life process involved in the maintenance function of our body. Life process means, I already told you in previous chapter. So we are in complex organism. Complex organism means we are having more than one cell. That means in our body different systems are present, and that is we already read in chapter 1, that is life process, and that the systems are, first one is what? Digestive system, second is respiratory system, third circulatory system, and fourth is excretory system. All these systems are very important in our life. Means these systems are necessary for living organism. Without this system, organism cannot be survive. So here student, means in this chapter control and coordination, here we read about another system, that is the nervous system, and hormonal system. Just like that, these systems are also very important for our body. So see this, we are living organism and our body is made up of more than one cell. That's why in our body different systems are present. But in unicellular organism, single cell doing all these activity, they not have any specialized tissue for doing this specific function. So see this, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, and hormonal system. These all systems are interconnected in our body and work like a team. These all systems are very important in our body, and all systems are interconnected. So first we see what is the meaning of control. It means working of a body. It means working of a body in a systematic manner. So meaning of this is working of body in a systematic manner. So every living organism need to control their activities, and for this system they control their activities. So in multicellular organism, specialized tissue are used to control this activity. So student, we already know that cell plus cell form tissue. That means more than one cells are together and one tissue are together and form organs are together and form system. So see first, cell plus cell means it forms tissue. Then tissue are combined and form organ. body. Tissue combined in form organ combined in form organ system, and organ system form a body. So see this, cell is the basic structural and functional unit of a body. Means without cell our body cannot be formed. Cell is the basic unit of our body, so it is called structural and functional unit of living organism. Just like that, first we read the nervous system. Nervous system. This is the system. System means it is organ system. Involved in organ system, and it is also made up of what? Tissue. Means one tissue are combined and form what nervous system, and these systems are also formed from where? From cells, made up of cells, and cell of nervous system are called neuron. What? Neuron. Cell of nervous system are called neurons, and plural is neurons. Okay. So students, cell of nervous system are called neurons. So first here we discuss about the nervous system. Nervous system involves organ involved in nervous system. That is brain. First one is brain. Second is spinal cord. Third is nerve. So in this chapter we discuss about these three parts of our body. So all these three parts are made up of what? Neurons, and these play important role in transferring of information in our body. So these are the basic important of our body, or it is involved in transformation of information. Then another organs are also involved, but these are not counted in here. So that organ are our eyes, means sense organ. That is 5 type of sense organ present in our body, and it is also help in transforming of information to our body. First is eye, second one is ear, third is tongue, fourth skin, fifth is nose. So see this: first eye, ear, tongue, skin, nose, all are very, all these 5 sense organs also plays important role in our body. Means these are also help in transforming of information, because these 5 sense organs are called what? Receptor. Means is it receive what? Information from external environment. So first we see the nerve. Brain. See this spinal cord. This is called spinal cord. And this is nerve. So brain, spinal cord, and nerve. we already know these play important role in transferring of information inside our body. So first see what is the meaning of nervous system, means what is the function of nervous system. Nervous system function is transferring of information from the external environment in our body. Nervous system function is transferring of information. Transferring of information inside our body. Inside our body. So we already know nervous system is made up of what? Neurons. Nervous system is made up of neurons. Neurons are combined and form nerve. It is cell-like structure. Neurons are interconnected and combined and form what? Nerve, and nerves are connected and form what? Nervous system. So function of nervous system is transfer of what? Information in our body. It is also play important role in our body for transferring of information. Just like So neurons are the largest cell of our body, and it is branch cell and brain, spinal cord and nerves are made up of these neurons. Next, structure of neurons. Structure of neurons. So, neuron mainly consists of three parts, that is cell body, second is dendrite, third is axon. See the structure of neuron contain what? Three basic parts, that is cell body, dendrite and axon. Here we show the structure of neuron. See this is called what? Dendrite. It's called axon. And this is cell body. Last, this one is nerve ending. See this cell is present in our body and it is help in transferring of information in our body. This is the one cell. This is one cell that is called neuron. This is the structure of one cell. This is the structure of neuron, and neuron consists of a cell body, dendrite and axon. See the cell body. Cell body are just like other cell. Nucleus are present. See this is nucleus. Nucleus are present, and here it is called what? Cytoplasm. cytoplasm or what neuron are called nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm. Just like other cell here, other organs are also present and that do their function. See this dendrite. Dendrites are branch-like structure. It is network-like and it absorbs information from sense organ through the receptor. Sorry, it collects information from sense organ. Then see axon. Through axon, information or message are transported to nerve ending, and here another axon are connected, and so here another another nerve cell are connected and they form chain that is called nerve. And nerve are called nervous system. So student, next is see the mechanism of this nervous system. When you touch any hot object, that time you need to detach your hand from that hot object. So how it is possible? It is possible because of what? Receptor. So what is a receptor? Receptors are a group of cells that is present in our sense organ and that is which are sensitive to change in environment. So first you write the definition of receptor. Receptors are group of cells present in our sense organs which are sensitive to external environment. So receptor present in our sense organ, we already know that what is sense organ. 5 type of sense organ are present in our body, and that sense organ play important role in transferring of information. So see how it is possible. When we touch any hot object, see this is nerve cell. Nerve cell, dendrite. Here, this is skin, and in our skin, receptors are present. Receptors means group of cells. Here, group of cells are present, and when they contact any hot object or anything that stimulus that contact with hot object, skin have receptor and it receive what? When receptor pick any information, chemical reaction start, and that chemical reaction form impulses, and that impulses are transferred to means observe dendrite. First, I write the step of this mechanism. So, see student, this is the steps of nerve transmission. First, when receptors pick any information, chemical reaction start. See, this is sense organ. And sense organ contain what? Receptor. So when receptor pick any information, here chemical reaction start. When in receptor chemical reaction start, then receptors are contact receptors are on contact of, this is dendrite. When receptor contact with dendrites, it creates electric impulse. Here electric impulse are called. Electric impulse are called. Next step is these impulses are moved through the cell body of neuron to axon ending. Dendrites contain what? Electric impulse, and these electric impulse are moved through cell body. This is cell body to axon and axon to where? Nerve ending. Through nerve. These information are transmitted through nerve and move through information is moved through the axon. This is axon to axon ending. Here this is axon ending, and here another cell body or neurons are present. See, this is another neurons. You know that neurons are joined one by one and form chain. So here this is dendrite, this is nerve ending, and see this is dendrite. In between nerve ending of this neuron and dendrites of this neuron, little gap are heard, and these gap are called what? Synapse. These gap are called synapse. So here gap is there. How nerve are transmitted? Synapse secrete some fluid that is called synaptic fluid. Synaptic fluid, and it is helped in this. Through this fluid, nerve are transmitted to this cell body, means this neuron. So this is the mechanism, or sorry, this is the steps of nerve transmission. Next, see the next step. See, again I repeat this. See this is axon ending and this is dendrite. Here synapses are present. Nerve ending and dendrite in between. These gaps are called synapse, and here synaptic fluid are present, secreted, and through these synaptic fluid nerves are transmitted. So see the step. Tiny amount of chemical released in synapse by axon ending when impulses reach there. Tiny amount of chemicals are released here when impulses reach there. Then next, these chemicals crosses the synapse and reach to the tip of dendrites. Impulses cross the synapse and see this is dendrite and turns the tip of the what? Dendrite. Then when it again produces electrical impulses. When impulses touch the dendrite, that time here again produces what? Electrical impulses. These impulses travels along the neurons, and that impulses are travels through the neurons to the another nerve cell. So this is the mechanism of or transmission of what? Nerve. So pause this video and notes this next types of nerve. There are three types of nerve. Nerve is present. Three types of nerve is present in our body. So first one is sensory nerve. First is sensory nerve. Second is motor nerve, and third is relay nerve. So what is the function of these three nerves? Sensory nerve means it carries information from body to the brain.